Hey there, join me as I answer the question, what's the truth about e-bike battery lifespans? As an e-bike enthusiast, I've always been fascinated by the heart of my ride, the battery. It's what powers my adventures, takes me farther, and makes every pedal stroke a joy. But have you ever wondered what's the real lifespan of an e-bike battery? One of the biggest myths out there is that an e-bike battery lasts forever, or at least for a very long time without any drop in performance. The truth is, like any battery, e-bike batteries do have a limited lifespan. Another challenge riders face is understanding the factors that affect the lifespan. I've seen many riders struggle with battery longevity, and it's not just about battery itself, but also how it's been used and cared for. So what affects an e-bike battery lifespan? Well, usage is a big one. How often you ride, the terrain you tackle, and even your riding style can impact how long your battery lasts. Charging habits also play a crucial role. I've learned that it's not just about how often you charge, but also how you charge. Environmental conditions like extreme temperatures can also take a toll on your battery's health. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions about your e-bike's care. One tip I think can really impact a battery's lifespan is to avoid extreme charging. What I mean by this is try not to let your battery completely drain to zero on a regular basis. Instead, aim to keep it between 20% and 80% if possible. This can help reduce wear and tear on the battery. Another key takeaway is store your battery properly when it's not in use. Keeping it in a cool, dry place and avoiding extreme temperatures can also extend its lifespan. I've gotten in the habit of bringing our UL listed batteries in the house to be stored and charged. I also keep an eye on the charge indicator lights for the first several hours and remove the charger when it's completed, and then I unplug the charger from the wall. By following these simple tips, you can help ensure your e-bike battery lasts as long as possible. Regular maintenance like checking for software and firmware updates in your bike app and cleaning the battery contacts can also make a big difference. In summary, understanding e-bike battery care is crucial for extending the lifespan of your battery and ensuring it continues to perform at its best. By being mindful of usage, charging habits, and environmental conditions, you can get the most out of your e-bike. If you've had any experiences with e-bike batteries, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about e-bike maintenance and care, be sure to subscribe and check out my other e-bike videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.